Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for MDCAT. Start by building a strong foundation. Focus on understanding basic principles such as bonding, hybridization, and functional groups. Grasping these core ideas will make more complex topics much easier to learn. Don't just memorize, strive to truly comprehend why reactions occur. This initial effort pays off significantly. Active learning is crucial for organic chemistry. Regularly practice drawing out structures and reaction mechanisms until they become second nature. Work through a high volume of multiple-choice questions from previous MDCAT exams to familiarize yourself with the question style. Additionally, use flashcards to quickly review key reactions, reagents, and their specific products. Once you have the basics down, delve into more complex areas. Pay special attention to isomerism and stereochemistry, as these are frequently tested. Dedicate time to understanding named reactions, their mechanisms, and their practical applications. Actively identify common misconceptions and tricky questions that often appear on the MDCAT to avoid losing easy points. As the exam approaches, simulate test conditions by taking full-length practice tests under timed constraints. This helps build endurance and manage time effectively. Thoroughly review any areas where you consistently make mistakes, focusing on understanding the underlying concepts. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and perform your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.